everybody. Welcome to Simple AI Solutions YouTube edition. This is Lewis, and in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to add music to our videos. So what I need to do, I need to go in another browser because I'm logged in as a different profile into YouTube. And in YouTube, you obviously should already have a YouTube channel. So in YouTube, what you want to do is go into your YouTube studio, and where you've got the studio, as you can see it look like this, you've got dashboard, content, analytics, comments, subtypes. What you want to do is go down to audio library. Okay. We do this because when you use any other type of audio outside of the platform that's not your own unique generated audio, if you've got your own audio, that's fine. You'll get problems. So just generate some audio, or if you don't want audio, don't use audio. What I tend to do is find audio suitable for the video I'm using. So let me just click back into my other. So this video is.
So these are some of the gaming trends to look out for in 2023.
So what I want is kind of like loopy, like a loop type track that's kind of got background music there. Ding, 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 ding. Well, I can't sing it obviously, but excuse me a sec. So in the audio library, we can have quite a few different things. So what I'm going to search for is for mood, and I'm going to have calm. And I'm going to apply that. I'm going to play a few of these. We've got to keep in mind our video is 3 minutes long, so it'd be better to get one file over 3 minutes. So we can test this out by leaving that to play, going back to our video, and just pressing play. You can have it turned down a lot, obviously.
There's something for everyone in the upcoming year. So let's get
started. That's a bit sad. So we don't want it too calm, we want something uplifting. So let's go mood, and let's go funky. Let's go funky. Let's just play this now. Have this playing really quietly in the background. Maybe I should let it play a little bit longer so I could get a feel for it.
Yeah.
Don't really want talking in. This is like music, so I'm going to download that. And that's just going to go into my downloads, and now all we need to do is go back to our import our media. And go into our downloads, drop the track tribe, click open. Wait for it to finish preparing up here. Won't take long. Now if we put the audio visualizer down by the talking, oh no, we need to put it over the top of that, don't we? Just wait for that to finish preparing. I don't know why it's taking so long. I'm going to pause the video a moment. There we go, I had an issue, I had to refresh the website browser. as you can see, I've named it What's Hot in Gaming 2023, and I've just dragged some music into here again. So I'm just going to add this in here now by clicking the plus. Now that's added into the library. I'm just going to put that above all of this up here. And I'm also going to make sure it ends here. I'm going to make sure the audio fades in. There we go. And I'm going to put it back to the beginning. Excuse me one moment. So I've put the audio in, and I'm going to set the volume to around about, I'd say 20. Because that looks quite loud. As you can see, there's a big block. And yeah, let's play.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming blog.
I'm your host,
Lewis, and today I'm going to talk about some of the most exciting gaming trends to look out for in 2023. Whether you're into open-world adventures, VR experiences, or nostalgic remakes, there's something for everyone in the upcoming year. So let's get started.
Cloud and VR hardware. One of the biggest trends in gaming is the advancement of cloud and VR hardware. Cloud streaming will bring accessibility to new markets, allowing gamers to play high-end games on any device without downloading or installing anything. Some of the cloud gaming services to watch out for are Google Stadia, Amazon Luna, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. These platforms will offer a variety of games from different genres and publishers, including exclusive titles and indie gems. On the other hand, VR hardware will push the concept of virtual reality to its limits. High-end VR headsets, such as Oculus Quest 2 and PSVR 2, will offer immersive and realistic graphics, haptic feedback, and spatial audio. Some of the VR games to look forward to are Half-Life, Alex, Resident Evil 4 VR, Lone Echo 2, and Medal of Honor, Above and Beyond. These games will showcase the potential of VR storytelling, gameplay, and interaction. Cloud and VR hardware.
Video game adaptations. Another trend in gaming is the adaptation of...
So yeah, there you have it. That is the video completed with the sound, the audio. We're not going to have any issues at all because we've downloaded the audio from the YouTube audio library. We're only going to use this for YouTube. You can delete the sound and save the video if you want. If you want to use a version of that without the YouTube sound, so if you want to use a video somewhere else, which is something I recommend doing. But anyway, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video when I believe that's our video done now. But I'll see you in the next video when we upload, add the titles, and do the rest of it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.